Good morning. Good morning. The current time is 7:56. I'm out for my walk. I wanted to jump in with a quick video this morning. I was thinking to myself yesterday, why are we accepting the crumbs in life? You deserve to be financially free. You deserve to have a good life. You deserve to have investments. You deserve to be able to travel and do all the fun things you want to do in life. But yet we're still settling for less in life. Why is that, right? And I was thinking to myself yesterday, I got super upset, like not crazy upset, but I got upset and I told myself, like, why am I settling for crumbs? Why am I settling for crumbs? I deserve to be financially free. I'm not going to let my future fall on. What's the word I'm looking for? So I was talking to someone. Let me just say what I want to say. I was talking to someone and we were talking about financial freedom, being free and different stuff. This is not a friend. This is someone I was just talking to. And they were like, well, you know how it is, especially the fact that we're Black, things are hard. I'm like, no, don't put me under that category. Yes, I am Black, but that is not going to determine where I get in life. Like, yeah, I understand things are a little harder for Black people or people of color, but let's be for real. Let's be for real. Don't let that be your excuse that I'm Black, I cannot be financially secure. I'm Black, I cannot do this. That's BS, okay? I don't want to hear it. And to be completely honest with you, maybe my perspective is different because I am an immigrant. My parents migrated to America when I was a little girl, and I understand what it takes, and I'm willing to put in the work. I don't want to hear like, oh, life is hard because I'm Black. No, I don't want to hear that. And I don't want anyone operating on that. Like, life is what you make, okay? And I know you have to work a little harder sometimes, but you deserve to be financially free. And the person also said something along the lines where, what's the point of paying off all this debt? We're all gonna die anyways. What? I was just like, what do you mean? Like, what if you don't die? I know we're all gonna die eventually, but what if you die at 100 or 99? So you're trying to tell me you're not gonna be saving for a retirement? You're not gonna be saving for a better future because we're all gonna die? This is exactly why this person's not a friend, you know what I mean? I can't be around people like that. You deserve to be free. And yesterday what I did, I sat in my room and I was talking really loudly, and I'm pretty sure people heard me. And I was like, no, I refuse to take the crumbs from life. I deserve more than the crumbs. And you too. You deserve more than crumbs from life. Life is beautiful. We're living in a big, beautiful world. Why would you just settle for the crumbs? Why? And I think you have to make a mind shift to believe that you deserve more. Especially, same thing with money. A lot of people avoid their finances because they feel like they don't deserve more, or they feel like it's overwhelming, or they feel like my mama was broke, my daddy was broke, I'm gonna be broke. I'm gonna be the third one in line to be broke. No, I don't receive that. I rebuke that. And I rebuke it for you too. You deserve to live a good life. You deserve the nice things in life. And I'm gonna keep on saying that as an affirmation in this video so that you can believe it. You know, especially me, I'm in my 30s. I can't be out here acting like I'm 19. I need to get it together. And that's the whole purpose of this channel. And I want you guys to always think, I never come on here like I'm better than anyone, because I'm not. I never come with the attitude that I'm better, or look at me and you're beneath me because you don't understand money or you're not doing well. Listen, I'm still on a journey, guys. I'm still on a journey. That's why escaping broke. Escaping. ING. Currently doing it. You know what I'm saying? I just want us to get angry. I just want us to want more. Stop settling for what life is offering you. You are the author of your story. You can create the dream life that you want. And I'm preaching this to myself also. Because I got to a point where I felt like, oh, life is so unfair. I'm not getting what I want. I'm not getting everything I want in life. Blah, 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 blah. I'm like, you know what, girl? Stop it. Stop it. You can create your own life. You can. My arms are hurting. See, that's why I'm outside going for a walk, y'all. Because, your girl's upper body is weak. You know what I mean? Stop it, guys. Stop it. Get some books. Get something. If you're struggling financially, get some books. Start reading some books. Start understanding, paying off debt. I understand, yes, maybe you're not from a culture, you're not from a family that talks about money, but guess what? That can end with you. So it ends with you guys. And I want you to get upset today. And I want you to get angry today. And I want you to make a decision that financial freedom begins with me. Poverty ends with me. Because you have to understand, guys, sometimes this is generational. Poverty sometimes is generational poverty. And when you're fighting generational poverty, trust me, I'm in the process of doing it. It is not easy. It is not easy. So I totally understand. I get it. It's hard. But you have to make a decision. You know why? Because we can do hard things. We can do hard things. And that's the beauty of life, that everything is not super easy, right? Can you imagine living in a life where everything was super easy? Yeah, that would be great for a couple weeks. And then eventually you will get bored because the brain craves challenges. That helps us grow. So don't wish, I forgot who said that quote. I think it was Jim Rohn. Don't wish that things were easy. Wish you were better. Wish you were stronger. And that is my goal with this channel. To inspire. And that's what I just want you to come across this video and watch it and think about what I said. You don't have to settle for less in life. You don't have to accept what life gives you. You can create your story. So just think about it. Just think about it. I know at first you might hear this video like blah, blah, blah. You don't know my history, blah, blah, blah. You don't know what I've been through. My life is not easy. Daddy's not rich. Mommy's not rich. My parents are two immigrants that decided to come to America. Okay? So I want you to put that in perspective, okay? They decided to come here when I was a little girl. So let's be real. Life is not easy for me, but I keep pushing. Things are not easy, but I keep on pushing. Because I don't care what anyone has to say about America. People talk a lot of crap about America. America is a horrible country. No, it's not. America is one of the greatest countries in the world. America gives whomever, the opportunity to be great if you want it. Yes, there are challenges. There's challenges with everybody, with everything in life. America is a great country. I don't care what nobody has to say. Yes, America has its flaw. She's not perfect. But America is a great country. You can be born as a broke person and die as a rich person. You can create generational wealth. So I don't want to hear that. But anyways, I'm going to go enjoy the rest of my walk. I just wanted to jump in and share a little motivation. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye for now.